Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to download CapCut app in Android. Alright, so let's begin with the video. To install the CapCut application, begin by opening Chrome and searching for CapCut APK. Click on the first website that appears in the search results. Once there, select the latest version and click on the download option. After the download completes, open the APK file and proceed with the installation by clicking on Install. Once CapCut is installed, open the application. To start a new project in CapCut, click on New Project and add any photo of your choice. If the application does not function correctly, to bypass this, you will need to use a VPN. To get a VPN, go to the Play Store and search for VPN. One option is Thunder VPN, which I personally use. Download and install the Thunder VPN application if you haven't already done so. After installing, open Thunder VPN and click on Connect. The VPN will connect to a server in another country, allowing you to bypass the restriction. Once connected, restart the CapCut application. With the VPN activated, you should now be able to use CapCut without issues, enabling you to create and edit your videos seamlessly. So that's basically how to download CapCut app in Android. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up. And I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.